Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity 16.2.1 Feature Supportability Training. I am Ramakrishna. As part of this section, we will be talking about improvements done to enhance the usability with respect to roadmaps and filters. As part of 16.2.1 release, following product improvements are made with respect to roadmaps. Convert swimlane hide or show to match boards through filtering, and hide empty swim lanes in timeline layout. And with respect to filters, we enhanced the filter icon behavior in grid column heading and usability of filtering on expandable tree grid. In roadmaps, customers wanted the ability to filter on swim lanes in timeline layout that match boards with filtering and ability to hide empty swim lanes in timeline layout. In filters, customers wanted to change the filter icon behavior in grid column heading to avoid sort on column due to accidental click on filter icon in column header. Customers also wanted to view the exact matching filter data in tree grids without hierarchies being displayed when they use filtering on expandable tree grid. In this demonstration, let us look at the enhancements to roadmaps, that is convert swim lane hide or show to match boards with filtering and hide empty swim lanes in timeline layout. First, let us look at the changes to filter on swim lanes in timeline layout that match boards with filtering. I am presently in previous release of Clarity. When user selects a value in swim lane through view options like goal and filter on the same attribute goal, all the swim lanes are displayed in timeline layout irrespective whether they were selected in filter or not. For example, in filter, we are trying to actually filter only on two swim lanes, that is cost avoidance and cost reduction, but in timeline layout we are displaying all the swim lanes. Whereas when we go to board and if we have goal as a column filter, we are only showing, and if the filter is applied on goal, then we are only showing cost avoidance and cost reduction, that is we are matching the values that have been filtered on. In the same way, in timeline layout, we also have a swim lanes tab that can be used to hide or show swim lanes. In this demo, let us see the usability enhancements made with respect to filters, that is filter icon behavior in grid column heading and expandable tree grid filtering. I am presently in Clarity 16.2.1 release system. Please note that filter on swim lanes feature is behind toggle. By default, the toggle is enabled. And when the toggle is enabled, the swim lanes tab adjacent to view options in timeline layout does not appear. Also, in present release, we are honoring the selected values in filters and display respective swim lanes, that is similar to column filter in board layout. Like the user selected goal as the swim lane in view options, and we are using the same attribute to filter data, and we have selected two values here, that is cost avoidance and infrastructure improvement, and the timeline layout is going to display the filtered values, which is similar to board layout. Please note, filtering on swim lane supports both static and dynamic lookups. Filtering on swim lane using static lookup or dynamic lookup will display the respective swim lanes even when the swim lane is empty. In this example, I have filtered on a manager, which is a dynamic lookup, and Anderson Peter doesn't have any roadmap items, but still the timeline layout displays the swim lane. In 16.2.1, we have introduced a flag in roadmap item timeline layout to hide empty swim lanes in view options. Hide empty swim lanes flag, when enabled, will hide swim lanes which are empty. For the demo, I have filtered on goal and manager, and we have 3 swim lanes where Amos Sherrill as a manager has one roadmap item, Anderson Peter as another manager has no roadmap items, and Ian Arpel has one roadmap item associated with them. Now when we click enable hide empty swim lanes, Anderson Peter swim lane is hidden as it did not have any roadmap items associated with it. Hide empty swim lanes will also hide swim lane groups if they have only empty swim lanes. To look at this use case, I have selected architectural fit as a swim lane group, and now we can see that the timeline layout is displaying the details of a manager with roadmap items across the swim lane group architectural fit, and there is no data available under low, medium and high groups of swim lane. Now when we enable hide empty swim lanes, we can see that the architectural fit swim lane groups which had empty swim lanes is hidden. Now let us look at the changes made to the behavior of filter icon in grid column header. Filter icon is now placed on the right side of the hamburger menu. Click on filter icon, opens the filter tab in column menu. Any value set either through column menu or through group filter persists and displays the grid data honoring the filter. Clicking anywhere else apart from the filter icon on the column header sorts the column. Now let us look at the enhancements made to filtering in tree grids. For the demo purpose, we created some work plans and I am in tree grid mode. Based on the filter, respective records will be displayed irrespective whether they are parent or child nodes. In the tree, we can see that Able Business Unit is a parent or root node, Business Operations is a child node, and Software Engineering is a grandchild node. Let us star the parent node and filter on star. As we can see, based on the filter, only the records that are satisfying the filter criteria are getting displayed, whether they are parent or child nodes. Also, we can see that if a parent or root level node satisfies the filter criteria and none of its child nodes satisfy filter criteria, then only the parent or root level node is displayed without expand or collapse option. Now let us star the child node, which is Business Operations, and a grandchild node, that is Software Engineering. Let us filter on star and look at the result. The grid only displays the child and grandchild nodes which satisfies the filter criteria. That is, if only child node or grandchild node satisfies the filter criteria, then only respective child node or grandchild node is displayed. We can view the child nodes or grandchild nodes in the tree grid without viewing the complete hierarchy. This concludes the session on usability improvements made in Clarity 16.2.1 release with respect to roadmaps and filters. Thank you.